So this is my new instrument panel, just done with putting all the million wires together. The top cutout will be for the radio, the lower cutout will be for the blue lights. This here is for the air conditioning controller, and this is just a 12-volt plug. Here I have a USB input for the radio. I can just put a stick in. This is an auxiliary input, a 1/8 inch jack where somebody else can be connected to the radio. You see all of the switches are blue lighted in kind of the motive for the car, and it has lights on if the buttons are pressed. So basically this here is an accessory button as of the accessory setting on an ignition switch, which I do not have. I mean the accessory setting. So if I turn that on, even with the ignition off, the radio will come on. This here is for the reverse camera. It'll turn the reverse camera on even if I'm not going in reverse. These two pretty bright lights here are for additional LED lights that I do have in my blue light bar on the top, one going for forward and one going shining reverse. This here will actually turn on the controller for the blue light. The reason that it didn't come on is because I literally combined that with that switch here to not turn it on like if I don't want it to, specifically if like another blue light is kind of parked behind me, if you get the drift. This is an accessory switch. I do not have any use for it as of yet, but it just fit in, so I put it in via to a relay and can use it whenever I want to.